GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. AC-Delco GM Original Equipment Engine Oil Pan Gasket is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: engine, mechanical. This original equipment gasket will provide the same performance, durability, and service life as your factory original equipment. Top reviews from the United States. No leaks. Our old gasket was leaking bad. Left a nice coat of oil everywhere under the car. Replaced this, the oil pump pickup O-ring, and installed the oil relief bypass shield on the oil pan. No more leaks, oil pressure is better, and I'm satisfied knowing that valve isn't dousing the underside of my pistons with oil spray.